Hey beauties, and welcome back to my channel. I'm back with yet another video. Today I'll be using RECOOL hair for this wig install. They did send goodies unlike my last wig video, which I ain't get no goodies. So I got a bonnet, a wig cap, and some lashes. So I did get a little bit of shedding with this hair. Nothing too crazy, but it's expected because hair is already pre-colored or whatever. And I'm just showing you guys how the wig cap is constructed. It does come with 3 clips, 2 at the side, 1 at the back, and adjustable straps. And now I'm getting ready to bleach the closure. It is 5x5 closure. Texture is body wave, 200% density, full hair, period. Alrighty, and the color is 99J. So I'm just doing this to prep it because I really wanted to like slay this. Like I really wanted to body it. So I'm like, all right, I should just, bleach it so it could be, bomb. And I think I understood the assignment, y'all. I really do think so. But anyways, yeah, so just keep on watching and then we're just going to hop right into the installation. Alright guys, so this is what it's coming out as. I went ahead and I bleached the knots and I plucked it some, and then I also like parted it and straightened it or whatever. So yeah, girl, it's giving vanity. I'm gonna curl it for this video and for my pictures, but let's just hop into the installation, period. Okay guys, so this is the finished look and I am loving it, y'all. I look so bomb right now. Like, like, look at me. Look at me. Baddie, 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 baddie. All right, so I think this hair is great. It is honestly worth every single penny. I didn't even spend that much on it. Let me give y'all the deets. Let me give y'all the deets real quick. All right, y'all, so this is the Body Wave 99J transparent lace wig, all right, in the 5x5 closure, which I am feeling closures more like, I don't know, like I'm really not feeling the whole frontal thing anymore because it's just too much work, too much maintenance. And with these closures, like you could pull them off and you could manipulate it too, so there's really no point of like me getting a frontal unless it's for like, you know, something serious. I probably won't be doing another frontal until my my photo shoot. It is 18 inches and I got the 200% density. Texture, of course, is a body wave. As you guys can see, this hair curls beautifully, so freaking beautiful, and the color is so vibrant. You would think I colored it myself, but this is how it came, y'all. It came just like these. Just like these. So the total for this was $197.10. I did use a $15 coupon and that brought it down to $182.10. So like, y'all, this bomb ass hair for under $200. Like, why does anybody have to drop bread on hair? There's no need to. It really is no need to, like, period. The only thing I don't like about it is that I do notice that my hands are a little red. You guys probably can't even see it, but like, you know when you dye hair and then you touch it and then like the color like transfers to you. I did notice that about this hair. I don't know why it's like that, but it is like that. I don't like that, but it comes right off with soap. If I wash my hands right now, it's just gonna come right off with the soap. So it's not like it's staining for days. You could just get it right off after you're done touching up your hair or whatever. It does shed. They sent me one that sheds. It doesn't shed a lot, but it does shed. Like if I'm to do this, oh, maybe I got all the shedding out. Let's see. Oh, I think I got all the shedding out. Okay, so it did shed a lot while I was like, you know, tweaking it yesterday, and before I even tweaked it, it was shedding, but now it's not, so I guess that's good. And yeah, like, yo, this is a vibe. This is what it's looking like from the front, period. Y'all, I burned myself with the freaking hot comb the other day. So yeah, thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.